Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit, a classic master grade model kit from Bandai, which is from the 08 MS team, and this is a Universal Century line model kit or Mecha anime, the 08 MS team RX-78 or 79 rather G, so crown type. And I really like this kit, and I really like the show. The Mecha anime is much or more realistic than those other Gundam franchise na palipad-lipad yung mga Gundam, may mga kung ano-anong parol nakadikit sa likod. But this Gundam here, mas malapit siya sa katotohanan dahil sa kanyang mga simplistic weapon and warfare. So this is a ground type, meaning they're on the land-based battle. Although there are parts from the anime na nakakalipad din naman to, may mga booster effects sila. Pero more on sa lupa sila nakikipaglaban. Okay? So, does this kit hold up in today's standard? Since this is issued about early 2000s. So, today is 2025 in this era while filming this. Does this kit still hold up? Let's see. But to be honest, I much like those model kit na ni-release ng Bandai during early 2000s. Okay. So let's check the silhouette of this kit. So this kit is very simple. This is a straight build, by the way. I didn't put any stickers and decals. Okay, so the kit is all white with some blue, yellow, and red. So the traditional protagonist color of the kit. And yep, this is a blocky design. And most Universal Century Gundams during the earlier times, they are blocky. Yep. So there are no other design and concept like this. So magkakamukha lang sila like the RX-78, the yung mga GMs, Mark II, and other Federation suits. Halos magkakamukha lang. So there we got the shield, guns. Actually, dalawa yung guns niya. Oops. But I make the kit hold the two guns. So actually, isa lang yung ginagamit niya. And this kit has this backpack, by the way. And hindi ko masyadong hinigpitan yung pagkabit muna for the demonstration. And yeah, tumatalon na yung ref. Okay, so this backpack here, we'll see what's inside later. So this kit has this kind of backpack where it can carry this kind of box container, which I called cigarette pack kasi mukha siyang lalagyan ng sigarilyo, and mukha rin siyang refrigerator, lalagyan ng baon tsaka ulam. Okay, and so let's check these or let's remove all this armaments here first. Yep, and we will check it later. Okay, let's go with the articulation. So the head here has a very simplistic design. So ang ganda ng head niya. Gusto ko yung tsura ng ulo nito compare with the other Gundam. But of course it will be more beautiful if you put some color and panel line. Okay, so the head can rotate like this. Yep, this is connected in a ball joint. So there's a camera there, and the eyes are wide enough. Malaking mata niya, ganda tingnan, nagre-reflect talaga yung ilaw. So the shoulders can rotate 360 degrees. By the way, I removed the screws. I didn't put any screws on this kit. I don't like putting screws on my kit. So walang screws yan dito sa kanyang arms. So you can raise up to that far. Okay, it can rotate also. Yan. hands can rotate or the arms can rotate, pero medyo stiff lang. Yep. It can rotate like that, 360 degrees, and the elbows can bend or flex, so it's double jointed. Yep. You can flex up to that far. This is ball joint, by the way. The hands are ball joint, and the hands are the useless hands. Actually, this is my most hated articulated hands, yung ganitong klase. So walang pakinabang siya, hindi siya makahawak ng gusto. This is the old style hands, parang high grade hands pa nga to, high grade 1/100, where as you can see, yan, yung 3 fingers niya na magkadikit, tas dito ay kanyang trigger finger kahiwalay, and the thumbs are ball joint like that. Okay. Then the waist are in ball joint, pero hindi siya makakaikot 360 degrees because of this structure here. Okay. These front skirt are the ugly ones, the plain ones, since if you pag inangat mo siya, yan, hollow siya, wala siyang makikita dyan, wala kang makikita. And the connector here is the ball joint, ball and socket. So this is the old school connector, so hindi siya makakapag-perform ng anything dito, hindi siya makakapag-split, but it can kick up to this far and kick back up to that far. Yep. Then be careful with the ball joint, and mind you, ball joints tend to wane off its purpose in time. Then the knees can bend double jointed like that. Yep. And the feet can do plantar extend and plantar flex like that. There are pistons there, by the way, but the feet are the blocky feet, so hindi siya natutupi. So blocky feet lang siya. And the beam sabers, you can see here on these compartment here sa knees. There you can see the beam saber, and pwede niya hugutin, and there, beam saber. Okay. And you can close it like that, so very nice. I remember the pot labor where the guns are stored there. Then the guns here, we got 2 kinds of gun. You got this machine gun where it can we can rotate this piece here para sa parang ano niya, shoulder support, ganyan. It's very nice. And we got beam guns. So this beam gun is not, I think it's not present in the anime, but of course Bandai choose to include this, which is very nice. Okay. And the fridge here, we got the rifle, or it's like the giant sniper rifle, but this is very tricky to open. You need to somehow push first the structures here, okay, before we can fully open this shit here. Yep, like that. And there you can see those parts inside. Yep. So we can assemble this shit. Okay. And it's very tricky to remove. Yep, it's very tight. No, it's got stopped. Okay, this kit got stopped. So I remove all the contents here, and we can assemble the gun. First, we need to up is the handle. There. Okay. Then we'll connect this stuff. You need to look for that groove there to align it properly, and then this one. Like this. Okay. Then we'll put this ammo clip on the top like that. And so we got this very large gun here. Then we have this supporting arm here where we can attach the shield. Let's remove the shield, by the way. Remove the shield, we can attach it like this here. Okay, and it will act as support like that. Gundam can hold it like this, where he can do some crouch position. Okay, can do some crouch position. Then this shield here will be acting like a stand, just like this. Very awkward pose. Very sideward pose. Very awkward. Anyway, ito lang talaga yung kaya niyang gawin, since this is a very old kit. So as what I asked a while ago, does it hold up in today's standard? For me, no. Marami siyang limitations, and especially dun pa lang sa kamay niya, limited na hindi na makahawak na maayos ng mga weapons. And the poses we can do with this kit is yan, ganito lang. Hindi masyadong maganda, mahirap mahirap siyang gawa ng tinong pose. So mostly standing pose lang, parang support unit pose. Yan. But design wise, this is very, very beautiful. Gusto ko yung design nito. But articulation and posing wise, ano siya, hindi na siya makaka-catch up sa today's standard. So, paksak siya dun for me. I hope Bandai will do a 2.0 of this kit. Sana magkaroon ng master grade model na ito. Kasi maganda to Ganda. Isa sa mga gusto kong model kit by Bandai for 8MS team. So for size comparison, let's compare it with the master grade Gundam RX-78-5. So they're almost the same height. So lahat ng Universal Century Gundam models magkakasilaki. Yan. And let's compare it with my other 100 scale kit. Here I got the Astrea Type F 100, and yes, they're almost the same height, or they're all the same height also. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing review, or straight out of the box review of Gundam RX-79G, or the ground type Gundam. And this is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio saying thank you so much for watching this review, and see you next time. Goodbye, God bless, take care, mga salamat, paalam sa inyong lahat, auf Wiedersehen, adios, sayonara.